LingoDroids. LingoDroids. LingoDroids.
Robo Show.
Wir gehen durch Park. After using the German Durch preposition, we have to use the accusative case. You can use now this cheat sheet to deepen your knowledge. All you need to know is what kind of noun is the German word Park. Click on it and you will see and learn its gender. As we can see, the word park is a masculine word, or I always say it is a male word. From here, it is very easy to find the second line, and we all can see the solution for this simple question. The correct answer is the answer A. Let's click on it. Celebrate how smart we are.
Wir gehen durch den Park.
There is no time to waste. You can see right away that we use the German Durch. You have to know the German, the tunnel. After this info, you just have to remember that we look at the second line. The rest is already history. Do you share my enthusiasm? We are getting really faster.
Ich gehe durch den Tunnel.
I do not waste your time. I just tell you two things. The city and accusative.
Wir fahren durch die Stadt.
You can see now that I am flying through the monitor. The monitor is der Monitor. So I can tell you in German, ich fliege durch den Monitor. You know what to do. I am just looking at you. Now we can try to accelerate the whole process. Very good.
Sie schauen durch das Fenster.
I am just watching you and my metal heart is melting. Did you realize that you became the master of the German Durch preposition microlessons? Oh no! I am listening! Is it the accusative or the second line?
Wir gehen durch die Ausstellung.
You can relax a little bit. I will not speak from now on.
Er klettert durch das Loch.
Ich gehe durch den Markt.
Er geht durch die Tür.
Don't give up. After this 9th task, there is only one more for today.
Ich laufe durch den Regen. Das Licht fällt durch das Glas.
Yes, you worked really hard. Do not forget the main takeaway from this lesson. Sometimes think of it and roll it in your smart brain. The German, durch. Second line, accusative. See you soon in the next Microlesson. LingoDroids. Thanks for watching and remembering.